I can't wait for the day comes that we don't need this anymore. That would be just fantastic. Alright, so actually, first thing guys, project card. Did we buy it? Nope, we didn't freaking buy it. This morning the guy said that it's not for sale anymore, so I'm not really too sure what the deal is. That guy literally said it's for sale, not for sale like 18 different times. So I'm over it, it's annoying, I'm frustrated about it, but we're moving on. We're not gonna focus on it today. Today we want to get this RB out of the engine bay. At least that's the plan. We might divert and do something else, but we're taking this out. We're taking this out. The only thing that's kind of stopping me from doing so right now is taking the shifter out. I have to go ahead and drain the transmission fluid and take the drive shaft out. And after that, we'll be good to go ahead and yank this sucker out. The only thing is we don't really have that much room to do that, so that'll be interesting. By the way, yesterday's video, super stoked that you guys are excited about the whole, like, my whole plan, my whole idea. You guys have been super killer with the comments, and I appreciate all the support because it's super cool. I'm excited. It's gonna be something new, something different, and it's gonna be a blast, man. I cannot wait. By the way, there is definitely like a mouse in here somewhere. I mean, we saw Jerry. We knew Jerry was in here. I smell Jerry. I can just smell, not dead Jerry, so that's good, but like a Jerry. It smells like Jerry in here. So like, pretty happy that we're going in here and fixing her all up, cleaning her all up. You know, probably get a new carpet. That whole deal. Dash out, clean everything up. New car, new car. So getting our little bolts off, take our boot, which is completely toast. Gotta get a new one. A lot of new things going down, man. Take this out. And by the way, I'm running a KA transmission with an RB20 bell housing, and that's why I've blown like 5 of them. My RB20 trans lasted a long time. Blew it up. and then here are the KA life, but man, these things have just been going like glass. Something, I do not recommend it, because I believe something with the alignment of the input shaft is wrong. That's why I keep having problems with it. So, got our boot off. We're definitely going to upgrade transmissions, like we have to do our shifter, because as you can see, the shifter's been modified because it sits so far back with this transmission. It's actually longer than an RB20 trans, and they're not the same. They are not the same. Everyone keeps telling me they're the same, and they're definitely not. So the shifter is out. It is now probably a good 2 hours later. By the way, check out the setup. Check out the setup. Z is outside. Heavy D is right there. We're about to go ahead and get this sucker ripped out. The only thing that I have left to rip out of here is we gotta drain the fluid, training fluid. We have to take the drive shaft out, and we have to take the transmission mount off, and I think that's it. I already got all the bolts loosened up here. Everything is disconnected. Heater lines are off, fuel lines are off, starter cable is off, everything over there is off. And now we have room to actually maneuver and do work in here. So, Project Turbo LS, let's get it done. Get her done. Alright, so while he's... What are we doing? Oh yeah. I was completely drew a blank there for a second. Removing the engine. Get them gains, bro. Get them oh.
She good?
Yeah, I think because it's kind of teeter-tottering. Get them gains, dude. Oh boy, here we go. Hey, yeah. You just needed to pump that sleeve up so the veins could breathe, dude. That's all you needed. Just needed to bulge those veins out. Constricting him too much in that tight shoe. Alright, I'm gonna crawl under the abyss. Oh, it's cold down here. I'm gonna get a jack stand for safety. Bro, so I just spent like a good 30 minutes wrestling this freaking engine out, and I broke a coil. Well, it's not even out, first of all, and the reason why is the transmission mount on it, well, on the transmission, was actually holding like a bracket that held my exhaust, kind of, that supported it. That went right over my head, and I'm here pulling on this thing, well, granted, we're repainting it, but I scratched the hell out of my firewall. I ruined a coil pack, wherever that is, so whoever buys this engine, I will be buying a new coil pack. But, oh my god, like, and then I look underneath, I'm like, what the hell is happening? And then, yeah, so that little bracket holding the exhaust on was attached to the transmission mount, which we can't pull the exhaust with the motor. We're good now. This thing should come out like a breeze now. Watch this. Watch how easy. Well, actually, let me not speak before our chickens are hatched here, boys. Let's just see how much easier this is gonna be. I was trying so many random things, and I'm pretty sure that was just our issue right there. Alright, well, I'm gonna redo this, because I'm gonna redo my mounting points since I ruined them, because I thought that was the issue. Try again. If we had like 6 more inches of room, things would have went so much smoother. But it's out, guys. It is out in all her glory. Maybe go ahead and I'll rip the transmission off and maybe just get this thing up on the stand tonight and then probably call it for today. I'm just super whooped. This thing put up a fight, man. It's all because I just didn't disconnect that bracket, man. I just totally forgot about it. So let's go ahead and rip this thing apart and we'll be looking good. Tomorrow, we're actually going to hunt for LS, so stay tuned. Money, dude. Clutch actually looks in really good shape still, can't lie. Little trick, if you guys have a aftermarket flywheel, might have little holes in it. You can go ahead and wedge a little extension and just kind of spin it till it stops turning, and you go ahead and just crack them all loose real quick, and you'll be looking pretty good. Look at that. Sweet. So this is the Competition Clutch Ultra Lightweight Flywheel for an RB. I believe 20, 25, and 26 they will all work. If you guys are interested, man, hit me up. I'm willing to sell this. I would keep it, but I don't know. I think I might. Maybe the flywheel I might keep unless someone actually wants it. Clutch I'll sell because I'll probably go twin disc with my next RB. And by the way, guys, the clutch is like in really good shape. It's actually really nice shape. I don't know, it's actually in mint condition. So this is a Competition Clutch, stage 4, 6-puck, sprung, obviously. Same, obviously, for an RB. So if you guys are interested in this, I'll hook you up. Let me know. And of course, you got your dust shield here. Never forget this when you're putting your transmission on. You need it, definitely. There it is. All right, man, let's get this thing on the stand. Alright, look what we got here. She's on the stand, boys. So that is going to be it for today. Just a heads up, guys, if you guys missed yesterday's video, guys, like, what the hell is going on here? Either go watch the video, I'll give you a quick recap, real quick recap, if I could speak. We're going Turbo LS. while in the meantime, I'm building the RB of my dreams. Building the RB of my dreams is going to take a while and a lot of money. So I really don't want to just see this car just sit for however long, a year or whatever, without a motor just here kind of useless. You know what I mean? So in the meantime, literally tomorrow we're going ahead and buying well, at least looking for an LS. And if we can't find, we have another option that we may be able to honestly just scoop one tomorrow either way. But we're making moves. I really want to get this thing on the road again, ASAP, but we have a lot of work to do. I'm going to redo the bay. A lot of work, guys. A lot of work. But like I said, you know, we have plans. We're going back to RB just currently right now. We're going LS, Turbo LS. It's going to be sweet. It's going to be freaking fire. I cannot wait. Now, I have the McKinney mounts. I can't actually repowder coat them for you. Before, I actually just spray painted them black. That's before I had a powder coater. They were blue. The trans mount is right there. So if you guys want RB20, S13 engine mounts, like engine and trans mounts, that will work for an RB trans, obviously, and same with KA trans. You just have to go ahead and modify stuff. If you guys are running a KA trans, I pray for you. With your RB, I have a shifter that's already modified for it. Let me know if you guys are interested in it. Clutch, a flywheel, I guess I could be for sale. If you guys are interested, just hit me up. I guess intercooler will probably be for sale. A lot of random stuff, guys. So that is gonna be it, guys. I'm excited. I'm really excited. There's gonna be a lot of cool stuff going down, and the fact that we're building a super badass RB is gonna be epic. Someone made a good point. I'm not gonna go RB26 just because I am eventually gonna get a GTR. You know what I mean, like R32, R33, whatever, and that's gonna have an RB26. So I do want to kind of save the hype of the 26 for a badass car like the GTR. That'll be our next really cool, like, just street car build. Maybe, who knows, I don't know, we'll talk. But that's why we'll probably build an RB25, but it'll be super badass, like super awesome. So hopefully you guys are stoked. A lot of content to come. LS swap, Turbo LS, you know, super awesome dream RB25 build. We got the 2J Supra outside. There's so much stuff going down, guys, and we're just getting started. So I'll see you guys here back tomorrow on the channel. What we're getting into, who knows? I'll see you guys then, though. Take it easy. Have a good night. Peace.